Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to animate your logo for free using AI. Open your web browser and search for Google Flow. Open the official Google AI, select New Project. Click the plus icon, choose Upload Media, and upload your logo. Agree to the terms if prompted. Next, open Settings and choose your preferred video format, such as landscape or portrait, then save the settings. Now enter a prompt describing how you want your logo to animate. For example, animate this logo as if it is being assembled from dust or clouds. Make it cinematic and end with the logo fully formed. Click Send, approve the request if prompted, and wait for the animation to generate. Once it's ready, click Play to preview your animated logo. You can edit the prompt if you want to make changes. When you're satisfied, and select Download Project. Open the zip file to access your animated logo. That's it! If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Improve accuracy for writing and career work.